Let us make some very healthy and nutritious apple puree for babies with dates. Now, apple puree is gentle on a baby's stomach and rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, supporting healthy digestion and immunity. Let's see how to make it. Wash the apple thoroughly and cut it into big pieces first. The next step is to peel the apples and cut them into small cubes. Now, cutting it into small cubes will make it easy for boiling purposes. Place the bowl of chopped apples in hot boiling water and cover it and let it steam for about 5 minutes. Now add some water and blend the apple along with the soaked date in your mixer to make a fine paste. Your apple puree is ready. It's an excellent weaning food. Make sure it is not too thin and runny. We have used date here. Don't use white sugar if your child is below 1 year of age. Follow us for more of such baby recipes. Like, share and subscribe to our channel.